In this guide, we're going over everything about the Death 13 raid here in Bizarre Lineage, how you can find it, how you can beat it, the best strategy. But before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, how to find it, go to bus stop 8, and once you're at bus stop 8, if you just like head west, you'll find it kind of against a tree over here. These guys are taking out this boss, so I'm going to just let them chill. But essentially, you'll see them just chilling against the tree. If you can't find it, use Eagle Vision to locate it. But talk to the NPC, into the raid, and then of course you can open up the shop as well. But for the fight, the raid is very simple. There's no really like hard extra mechanics. It's just a straight boss fight. He has about 3,000 HP and pretty slow attacks, and you can dodge easily just by moving or dashing. The best strategy though is to stay at a range and deal high damage quickly, and don't let the boss attack too much. At half HP, the boss does get stunned. Use this moment to go all in and finish the fight very fast. The best stance for this is going to be like the Silver Chariot Requiem, the World Over Heaven, Planet Waves, and even Death 13. But after defeating the boss, you'll get drops like the Nightmare Soul, the Darkened Soul, the Mysterious Arrow, the Death 13 tokens, and then of course you can use those tokens in the raid shop after to buy items like Lucky Arrows, Legendary Chests, or Stand Arrows. That's the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.